we shall be doing a gentle practice for beginners. Before we start, I'd like you to know that if you have 2 blocks, you can use them for the practice. But if you do not have these 2 blocks, it is fine. You can also practice without these blocks. I would like to start with a very simple asana, Adho Mukha Virasana, where we can return to the awareness of our breath, return to our body. Let me place these blocks here. Bring your toes together, heels apart, and extend your trunk over the head. Feel that trunk extending. Feel the entire spine, the body extending. And rest your head on the mat. Once you rest your head on the mat, you feel that natural weight of your head on the mat. Listen to the smooth flow of your breath as you inhale, as you exhale. This will help you to arrive to the body. This will help you to arrive to the moment. Also become aware of your body. The palms into the mat, the sit bones into the heels, the stretch in the trunk. Then inhale and slowly rise. Let us bring the legs together. Keep your palms shoulder distance. And slowly lift the right leg. I do not want you to lift the waist, okay? I want your waist to be parallel to the floor. And just lift the right leg. Then extend that leg. Let your back be nice and upright. Breathe well. And then as you exhale, you bring the right knee, rounding your back. Bring the right knee towards the right arm. And then as you inhale, extend that right leg once again. As you exhale, bring the right knee towards that right arm. As you inhale, extend the right leg. As you exhale, bring the right knee towards the right arm. Extend the right leg. 2 more to go. Exhale, bring the right knee towards the right arm. Inhale and stretch. Exhale, bring the right knee towards the right arm. Inhale and stretch. Very nice. Bring the knee on the mat. Keep the legs together. Now let us practice on the other side. So once again, lift the left knee. Avoid lifting your hip. Keep the waist parallel to the floor. Keep the knee bent to start off. You can stretch the leg if you can maintain the parallel waist. If you cannot, keep that knee bent. Okay, so you can try to extend that leg. Feel that good extension and feel the power in the left leg as you extend it. Breathe well. Then as you exhale, round your back and bring the left knee towards the left arm. Inhale and extend. Exhale. Left knee towards the left arm. Inhale and extend. Exhale, bring the left knee towards the left arm. Inhale and extend. We go to number 4. And extend. And let us do the final one. Exhale and bring the left knee towards the left arm. Inhale and extend. Excellent. Place the knees on the mat. Extend your arms and let us prepare ourselves to go into downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Then inhale and lift the heels and extend your back once again. Keep pushing those sit bones away from the body. Feel the stretch in your spine. Keep the knees bent. Give yourself some time to stretch those leg muscles. Stretch the hamstrings. For the moment, let us focus on the back muscles. So extend the spine. Extend your back. Then, once again, bring the feet together and take the right leg forward. Let us go into Vanarasana, the monkey pose. So you place 2 blocks on the side if you have blocks. If you do not have blocks, it's all right. You can always reach to the mat. Work on extending that spine. Work on stretching the back leg. Then keep your hand on the block and then exhale and turn to the right side. Then you can extend your right arm up to the ceiling and look up at your extended arm. Then inhale, come back to the center. Place your blocks on the side if you have the blocks. And then let us go into a downward dog. Extending the spine once again. Extending the back. Then bring the feet together and take the left leg forward. Take those blocks if you have them. Let us go into the monkey pose, Vanarasana. Very nice. Then keep your hands on the block on the right and then turn to the left side. Then extend your arms up to the ceiling. Then inhale and return back to place your hands on the mat. And then take your left leg behind. And let us go into downward dog. Now try to extend the right leg. Keep the left leg bent and extend that right leg and stretch it. Then bend the right leg, extend the left leg, and try to stretch that left leg. And then inhale, exhale, and walk into Uttanasana. And then inhale and gently rise. Extend your arms up to the ceiling. Look up to the ceiling. And then as you exhale, once again, go down, 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 down. Bring your hands, place them on the mat. And go into a downward dog. Now you feel that the legs are beginning to extend. The leg muscles are beginning to stretch. And then let us go into the plank pose. Placing your palms under the shoulder. Let us attempt only 10 breaths, okay? Okay, then bring the knees on the mat, flip the feet, and keep your arms closer to the body, and go down, 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 almost to almost touch the mat. And then inhale, and rest the body on the mat. Place your hands on the mat in front of you. And inhale and extend your entire spine into the serpent pose. Also extend the legs as you do this. Then bring your hands and place them closer to the body and extend a little more. Keep your arms closer to the body too. Then inhale, go on your knees, and then exhale, go into downward dog. This time you can try to extend the heels into the mat. And then try to extend your legs too. If you cannot, then work with one leg at a time. That is fine too. Stretching the calves, stretching the Achilles, stretching the hamstrings. Do not forget extending your back. And then inhale, exhale. Let us walk into Uttanasana. Let your body just drop down. Take your hand and try to stretch the back of the neck. And then inhale and rise. Now let us take a few moments and assimilate the energies by going into Shavasana. If you have a blanket, you can place it under your head. Otherwise, you just lie down and enjoy the experience. So lie on your back. Extend the feet and let them just drop. Let your arms drop to the ground. And once again, get back to your breath. During your yoga practice, your breath is your best friend. Never lose awareness of your breath, not even in Shavasana. Be aware of your breath. Be aware of your arms, your legs. With every exhalation, letting go of your arms, letting go of your legs. As you exhale, now let go of those leg muscles, allowing them to totally relax. As you exhale, now let go of those arms, allowing them to totally relax. As you exhale, let go of your trunk, allowing it to totally relax. As you exhale, let go of the muscles on the face, allowing them to totally relax. And once you're totally relaxed, spend a few moments just enjoying the moment, enjoying your presence. Then inhale, exhale, slowly bend your knees. Turn to the right. And sit up. Thank you. And wishing you a wonderful